Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. This is Mrs. M, and I am so excited that you're here with me. So, this is a continuation from what I am doing a little mini course on, which is how to stand out from your competition. And one of the ways I'm talking about is doing a digital proposal. That's right, a digital proposal. Now, this is what's going to help you build your business, scale your business to 6 figures within a year. That is the purpose of this channel. This YouTube channel is to help you build your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. But we're going to get to the 6 figures first within a year. We're not talking about taking 3, 4, 5 years. We're talking about 1 year. So what I want you to do is take out a piece of paper and write down what today is. And then I want you to make a pledge to yourself that I'm going to actually start today, building my cleaning business to 6 figures. So I'm going to dive right in now on the subject of a digital proposal and how this actually makes up such a big difference in setting you apart from your competition, because you're able to submit videos, you're able to submit images, and it's just a really neat way to do business in today's climate, okay? And we're talking about other things other than when you're having to meet people in person. They're either not there, they've got other things to do, but still want to talk about closing in person. So there are several ways you can do that. And I'm going to talk about the 8 pages that you want to make sure that you normally have in your average proposal. So in your average proposal, you want to have your welcome letter, your welcome cover for your proposal. So let's start with your proposal cover. Then you want to have your welcome letter. You want to actually have what makes you different. What is your differentiator that you're going to include in this on this 3rd page? Then you want to have your scope of work, your cleaning process, your prices, your schedule of clean, and your agreement letter or the signature. This should be the minimum that you're going to put in your proposal. So 8 pages, and this is what you want to make sure you have. Now, I want to really talk about when is the best time to submit a bid. When is the best time to submit a bid? Okay, March and April have been the best times to submit bids when it comes to gathering data and actually formatting it all together and coming up with a format on when has been the best time. April is the best month for submitting proposals. More people have submitted proposals and more proposals have gone out. So there definitely is something to spring cleaning. A lot of companies want someone to come in one time or contract clean, so April is the best month. Now you might be saying to yourself, well, April is past, so what am I supposed to do now? Well, the close rate in April is 26%. That means out of 100, 26% actual close rate. So what is the slowest month when it comes to proposals? Well, first, I'm going to give you something else. The next best set of months to submit a proposal is in September and October. And guess what? We're around the corner from September and October. So that's not too far off, okay? The slowest month, if you could guess, is December. But that's the highest close rate. 34% close during December because you have less competition. So the next time you're thinking of submitting a bid, I want you to actually think of the timing of the bid and when you're actually submitting it. So April is the highest month. That means that's when more people are looking for bids and looking for clean proposals. March, next to the highest month. April is the highest month in the year. The next time frame is September and October. And the slowest month is December. But there's a higher close rate because there's less competition. So remember that. Now, if you would like for me to go into this type of detail and even more, then guess what? Make sure you join me on my Masterclass. It's actually called 6-Figure Cleaning Business from Scratch Masterclass. I go into the exact method that I use to scale my cleaning business from 0 to 6 figures within a year. step by step on what is necessary to actually scale and build a six-figure cleaning business and beyond. So if you're interested, make sure you click below to register. Spacing is limited because we do an actual live presentation. And guess what? I have you in and out in an hour. I love to make sure that I'm concise as possible and brief as possible, because I know we have a lot of things we're all trying to do. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, then make sure you register below for my six-figure cleaning business from scratch masterclass, where you're going to learn all these information, the information needed to build your business to six figures. And like I always say, this is the purpose of this YouTube channel, to allow you to learn, take actionable items that actually scale and build a business to six figures and beyond. So until then, I hope to see you again soon. Be safe and take care. And until next time, I'll see you. Bye-bye.